vlog and I'm presenting my PowerPoint presentation. The topic is about the human reproductive system. The human reproductive system, it has four specific functions. One, to produce the gametes and the egg and the sperm cells. Number two, to store and transport these reproductive cells and sperm cells. And number three, the nurture of offspring as developed. Number four, to produce the hormones. Let's proceed to the male reproductive organs. The male reproductive organs have five organs: the vas deferens, the testis, the penis, prostate, and urethra. Vas deferens. Vas deferens carries the sperms from the testis to the urethra during ejaculations. Prostate. Prostate produces fluid that mixes in sperm to produce semen, nourishing and protecting sperm. Number three, urethra. Urethra passageway for both urine and semen with existing body. And four, testes. Testes produce the sperm and testosterone, the male hormones that affects the way the bodies develop. Number five, organs. Penis. Penis used for the bulk eliminations of the urine from the body and the delivery of the sperm to sexual reproductions. Proceed. Let's move on to female reproductive organs. Female reproductive organs has four organs and parts. Ovary. Ovary produce eggs, called ova, and female sex hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Vagina receives the penis during sexual reproductions, allows the menstrual blood to exist body, and the body passes through during childbirth. And three, cervix. Cervix allows the menstrual blood flow from the uterus to serve as pathway from sperm to the uterus. Oviduct. Oviduct have one part, the fallopian tube. Fallopian tube passageway of the eggs from the ovaries to uterus provides sites of fertilizations by the sperm. And lastly, uterus. Uterus, where the fertilized egg implants grow into the fetus during pregnancy. Let's move on to the journey of the sperm cells. Sperm cells pass through the different parts before reaching an egg cells to the fertilizers. Number one, testis produce the sperm through the epididymis, allows the sperm to mature, and through the vas deferens and moving to the urethra, where the mixing of the fluid occurs, that is called ejaculations. So the ejaculations proceed to the vagina, to the cervix, to the uterus, into the oviducts, which is called fertilizations. Menstrual cycle. It's a natural recurring process in a female reproductive system lasting about 28 days on average. It involves the body preparation for the potential pregnancy. Let's move on to the stage of menstrual cycles. Number one, follicular phase. When the pituitary gland release hormones that stimulate the growth and development of ovarian follicles. Number 2, ovulation phase. When mature eggs released from the ovary, it is ready to potential fertilizations. Number 3, luteal phase. Empty ovarian follicles becomes the corpus luteum, producing the hormones that prepare the uterus for the visible embryo implantation. And lastly, the menstruation. Cleaning of the uterus and shed, resulting in the release of the blood and tissue from the body through the vagina. So vagina to the body. Menstruation concept. I have 6. Number 1 is the system. Calendar, ampule, cup, cycle, napkin. Learning check. The menstrual cycle in the female prepares the body for the possible pregnancy to releasing an egg and preparing the uterus for the pregnancy. If no pregnancy happens, the uterus shed its lining during menstruation. Summary of the human reproductive system. The human reproductive system is a specialized set of organs and structures responsible for producing, transporting, and facilitating the union of the male and female reproductive cells, ultimately creating the offspring. Main organs. The male parts include the testis, the prostate, vas deferens, urethra, and penis. Female parts include the ovary, the fallopian tube, uterus, cervix, and vagina. Menstrual cycle. It's the recurring process, approximately 28 days. In a female characterized by the change in the uterus and ovaries. The miracle of life. Imagine you are a baby growing inside your mother's womb, and you are about to set out on a journey from conception to the birth. Create a monthly diary of journal Canva as if you are developing fetus, detailing the stage of your growth and the womb. Include the simple illustration or diagram to accompany each diary entry. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something of my presentation. Thank you.